Hi guys, today we talk about Tecno Pova 6 Pro. It's launched on April 2024. The Tecno Pova 6 Pro dimension 6.52-inch height, width 3.0, thickness 7.9 mm and the weight is 198 grams. The build front glass, plastic frame and plastic back. The display of this device, it's come with AMOLED display with 16 color and the screen size is 6.78 inches with 87.2% screen to body ratio and the resolution is 1080p and the refresh rate is 120Hz with 1300 nits peak of brightness and the protection is Corning Gorilla Glass. Let's go to the platform. It's come with Android 14 operating system and the chipset is MediaTek Dimensity 6080 6nm and the CPU is octa-core Cortex A76 and it's come with Mali G57 GPU. The memory is 12 and 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of ROM and it supports micro SD card. Let's talk about the camera of this device. It's come with dual camera setup. The main sensor 108 megapixel wide and 2 megapixel depth and a 0.08 megapixel auxiliary lens and it's record 1440p 30 fps video with main cameras and the selfie camera is 32 megapixel. The battery backup of this device, it's come with 6000 mAh battery and 70 watt wired charging, no wireless charging and 10 watt reverse wired charging. The features and the common, it has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, stereo speakers, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, 3.5mm headphone jack, UFS 2.2, NFC, infrared port and IP53 dust water resistance. The price of Tecno Pova 6 Pro is $220.